Ferrari 1967 330, the V12. Just gonna go for a little bit of a drive, Chris.
Oh yeah.
You right, mate? You ready?
Some real vintage.
Yeah.
Vintage tattoos.
Jump in.
Hear it, let's hear it. Oh, I like it. And it has no seatbelts.
No seatbelts.
No seatbelts, no power steering.
Yeah, strong push. So,
Don't forget the handbrake.
Handbrake.
the handbrake.
It's doing it in the front.
Yeah, but you gotta push it down
Okay.
first and pull it back a bit, right?
Are you pressing the button?
Oh, I can't even do it. There we go. Okay. And now I need to try. To go the tip. Yeah, but it's very smooth. Very smooth.
So we're gonna get the wallet and then we go to McDonald's with this.
We get some money because we lost it, forgot about it, and we go to McDonald's.
Love it.
Let's see what Ferrari says.
Oh my god, it's so smooth.
You never know.
It's completely different from driving the Ellen.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
So smooth.